Today we're on board the new Galeon 620 Fly. Wait till you see what you can do with this boat. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. Welcome aboard. On board the Galeon 620 Fly, you have multiple fold-down balconies creating a huge, massive, usable area. We'll take a look at this area where we've got the fold-down balcony creating a beautiful bar area for your guests to enjoy. We'll take a look at the owner's private terrace. We'll also take a look at the side balcony creating a tender jet ski tie-up area. Just a really game changer in this industry. So as we're walking around, another notable feature on the Galeon 620 Fly is this table. It rotates, you can make it smaller, but just a unique open area. Let's also take a look at this whole area that opens up. You've got the doors that close up, you've got a window here, so this will close up, but it also opens up. Television here. Take a look at this aft galley area, opening up onto the bar. Whoever's in the galley is not cut off from the rest of the guests. Take a look at the wood floors, the interior, how they finished this boat off. Look at the large, expansive windows, letting a huge amount of usable light into the cabin, making it appear much larger than what you would find on a 62-foot flybridge boat. Look at the beautiful, comfortable seating area and the lower helm in case you have bad weather, or maybe you have a captain for the day and the guests are up top. Let's take a look down below. All right, now we're in the muscle of the Galeon 620 Fly. This boat is spec'd out with the Volvo Penta D13 1,000 horsepower engines. You've got 924 gallons of fuel on board, diesel generator. You can also spec these boats out with a MAN 1,200 horsepower engines. Just an amazing area down here. And like I said, this is the muscle of the Galeon 620. We're in the owner's cabin on the Galeon 620 Fly, and as you just saw in the master head, it's just finished out beautifully. The finishing work on this boat is contemporary and modern. Just take a look at the full beam master that we get with this boat. Look at the large windows, letting lots of natural light in down below. But the major thing on this boat, and the biggest thing I don't think you'll see on any other boat other than the Galeon 620 Fly, is the owner's terrace. We're on the flybridge of the Galeon 620 Fly, and you'll just notice it's a very large area. A big thing about this Galeon 620 is you'll find there's multiple areas for your family and guests to spread out and relax. I'll show you a couple things here with this bar area. You'll see we've got a dual grill, so you can put your steaks, your lobsters. We've got an ice maker, refrigerator, storage areas. Just a great layout, and you'll notice the hard top for the protection and keeping the sun off of you. The Galeon 620 Fly is 64 feet 7 inches with a beam of 16 feet 3 inches. With the balconies out, that expands to over 23 feet. We've got 923 gallons of fuel. This boat's ready to take you and your family for your next adventure. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. I look forward to seeing you out on the water.